Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the ruler point feature on your Suunto Vertical watch to calculate distance when you're out navigating. So I'm going to go through this pretty quick. I've done some basic videos in the past that show you how to get to your map and all that stuff. We're going to simply say we're out hiking. I'm going to press the down button. I'm going to go to my map, press the middle button to choose it, and this is what your map looks like. Now there's all kinds of different things you can do. You can change the display. You'll notice a couple indicators just to give you some basic information. This triangle is my north indicator. This middle triangle is my current location and the direction that I'm heading. And then this 1.0 miles that you're seeing over here is my zoom. So that's how high up I am looking down at my map. So that's kind of your basics. You'll notice as these lines, I should mention, are roads that you are seeing. You'll also notice that there's a lake over here, looks like to my west. If I wanted to figure out how far is it to that lake, how would I do it? And the way we're going to do that is with the ruler function. So I can simply click on the map and drag, and you'll notice it's creating a ruler, and that ruler, as I'm adjusting it, shows me a distance. So if I went to the top point of the lake, looks like it's about 0.93 miles. That's what the ruler feature does for you. So I could look and say, oh, okay, it's only a mile away. I could navigate to it. So if I wanted to, I could go to the bottom and I could save it as a point of interest and navigate to it. I've got bearing location, so now I'm actually navigating to it. This up here is my direction. This is the direction of my destination. Again, this is my north indicator. We're 0.93 miles away, so I would start basically, navigating in that direction for 0.93 miles to get to that destination. So that's kind of what your ruler feature does. Let me go back. Let's go back into it, and I'll show you something else kind of cool with it. So we know that that lake is 0.93 miles away, at least to the top point of the lake. But what if I decided I'm going to hike around this whole lake? I wonder how far that would be. We can kind of do the same thing we did before. Go to about right there. Now I'm going to press the bottom right button, and I'm going to choose ruler point, and it's going to let me create another ruler from my last ruler. So now I can drag down. And let's get it. I can press the bottom. Now from the top to the bottom of the lake is 2.15 miles. Again, I could do ruler point. So to get to the other side, it looks like it's going to be about 0.26 miles. Again, I could do ruler point. And you can do this as many times as you want to, but let's say, let's do it right. You're basically drawing out your map. Now I'm at 3.98 miles, and let's do one more just to connect me to my starting point. There we go. So 4.29 miles if I walked from my current location to the top of the lake and then walked all the way down following that ruler that we just created. And again, I could press the bottom right button and I could navigate and do that whole navigation, or I could also save it as a point of interest. But that's what the ruler feature does for you, is it basically lets you calculate a distance to a location on your map or a distance to several locations on your map. As always, I hope the video helped. If it did, thumbs up are always appreciated. Thanks for watching.